If you're struggling with pests or fungal issues on your plants, this homemade spray can be a powerful natural solution. It's made using simple ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen. We'll walk you through the process again, and then explain why this spray works so well. We begin by taking about 2 liters of lukewarm water. This means the water should feel just slightly warm to the touch, not hot and not cold. Next, we add about 1 liter of warm dairy milk. If the milk is expired, don't worry. Spoiled milk can still be used for this spray and may even work better because it contains beneficial bacteria. These bacteria can help suppress bad bacteria and fungi on plant leaves. After adding the milk, we mix in 3 tablespoons of organic turmeric powder. Turmeric is well known for its strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. It has a natural compound called curcumin that helps stop the spread of diseases on plants, especially powdery mildew and leaf spots. Stir the mixture thoroughly to make sure everything blends together properly. Now we let it sit for 10 minutes. This waiting time allows the turmeric to fully activate in the mixture and also helps the beneficial bacteria in the milk begin working. After 10 minutes, we strain the liquid into another container. This is an important step because turmeric powder can settle at the bottom or create chunks, and we don't want these blocking the spray nozzle. At this point, we have about 1.5 liters of golden-colored liquid. Now comes the final step. Add 3 tablespoons of liquid dishwasher soap. Make sure to use a mild soap. Avoid anything too strong, or with added bleach or harsh chemicals. The role of dish soap is very important. It helps the spray stick to plant leaves and also acts as a mild insect repellent. Once the soap is added, stir everything gently but thoroughly. Now your spray is ready to use. This spray has multiple benefits. First, the milk in the mixture acts as a natural fertilizer and antifungal agent. Milk contains proteins and sugars that can help plants grow stronger, and the beneficial bacteria in spoiled milk can outcompete harmful microbes on plant surfaces. Some gardeners have found that milk sprays reduce fungal infections like powdery mildew, especially when used regularly. The turmeric plays a key role too. It protects plants from harmful bacteria and fungi. If you've noticed yellow spots, powdery patches, or strange leaf discoloration, this spray might help control the problem without using chemicals. Turmeric also acts as a mild pest repellent, discouraging insects like aphids and whiteflies from settling on your plants. The dish soap helps break the surface tension of water. This means the spray spreads more evenly across the leaves, rather than forming droplets. It also suffocates soft-bodied insects like aphids, mites, and thrips, which are often found hiding under leaves. When used regularly, this mixture can create a protective shield on your plants, making them more resistant to future attacks. This spray can be used on vegetables, herbs, flowering plants, and even indoor plants. Use it during the cooler parts of the day, either early morning or late afternoon. Avoid spraying when the sun is too strong, because it could burn the leaves. Spray both the top and bottom sides of the leaves for full coverage. If you're dealing with pests or fungal issues, use this spray once every 3 to 4 days until the problem is under control. After that, you can continue using it once a week to keep your plants healthy. Try this simple spray today, and you might be surprised at how quickly your plants respond. It's cheap, chemical-free, and easy to make. For more videos on natural sprays, fertilizers, and gardening tips, visit our channel, and don't forget to subscribe